Alright, hello and welcome to Code Blue. I was asked to play this. This is a demo, I should point out specifically. I was asked to play this, and so this is what I'm doing. This is the game is actually out. You could play it today if you really wanted to. The demo. I mean, you know, that sounds strange, but you could play this today if you really wanted to, and if you didn't want to, you could always wait for another time. So one thing that you don't see is the mouse cursor, because I have that turned off, because I've decided to start doing that. But it is very present for me. It's one of my pet peeves, but I'll just leave it alone at that. Yeah, take that, bullets, I guess. So, in the email that I received, there's like a comparison to Risk of Rain a little bit, Risk of Rain 2, I think. I haven't played it, so I couldn't tell you if that's like an accurate statement or not. So, we'll just kind of see how it goes. Whenever somebody asks me to play a game of theirs, I typically will, if they have a demo, I try to do the demo first, you know, for two major reasons. One, because there's no guarantee I'll like it. Who knows? I have no idea if I'll like it or not, and if I don't like it, I would hate for them to have given me a free key for something that, you know, I'm not really going to be able to, like, make a decent video for because of the lack of enjoyment. And the other reason is, sometimes when I play a demo, I also really like the game, so, you know, then I end up, like, making content twice for it. This will be one of those times that I, just make content for the demo. I think it'll show you enough of kind of, like, to get a general idea of what to expect. And I would say, like, it's okay. Like, I mean, it does kind of like what I would expect for a game like this. But with so many games that are essentially, you know, kind of the same thing, it is definitely more on the difficult side to kind of stand out, I think. And when you're me, you've got hundreds of games, you know, similar in nature. Not sure what we're gonna do with all this money. Maybe we'll do something cool. Maybe we'll buy a sandwich that gives us, like, you know, I don't know, like extra health. Maybe it gives us something really cool. I don't know, it's really simple. I don't know, and I feel like I probably talk about sandwiches far more than most people. But I really like sandwiches and spaghetti. I kind of wonder what like a spaghetti sandwich would be like. I don't know that it would be good, but at the same time, I love spaghetti, I love sandwiches. I feel like there's a possibility they could be delicious. So we just have to survive for 30 seconds. Well, in that case, why don't I just run around and do nothing? It honestly seems like a viable solution, which I feel like in a lot of games, even though they have this whole, oh, you just gotta survive for a certain amount of time, you know, having it to where the player is just going to run around incessantly for a certain amount of time until, like, they're able to move on to the next area. I feel like that is, it's like not something you actually want to do. This definitely needs, like, a dodge, which doesn't seem to be a thing that exists here. I'm not sure what's making me wet. I just don't know if it's like a... I don't know. It seems really weird because, like, I'm fighting robots. So there's, like, not really... There's nothing here that should be making my character wet. I hope it's not just a matter of excitement. I don't know. Alright. And on we go to the boss. This is where, you know, the video will most likely end for me. Like, I'll fight the boss. Maybe we'll kill the boss. Maybe we won't kill the boss. Only time will tell. Probably not going to kill the boss. Nah, we're gonna die for sure. Yeah, we'll just accept it and let it happen at this point. Alright, well that's it. That's like that's the end of it for me. You know, it seems like it has like a promising gameplay loop, but I don't know how you unlock any of this stuff. Alright, so it, I don't know, looks like some of the stuff just kind of unlocks as you play. It just, you know, it does a lot of what you would expect from a roguelite and, you know, top-down hack and slash kind of thing. You'll either get into it or you won't. Like, I don't think it does anything that's going to really set this apart from any of the, you know, hundreds of other titles that are very similar. But you never know till you try. There is a demo. Yeah, it's definitely worth trying to see if you like it. And if you do like it, you know, always buy it, or you can always wishlist it until it's on sale or at a price that you want. So, win-win for everyone.